In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Keap customer support. If you're running your business on Keap and something isn't working the way you expect, live chat is the quickest path to real-time help from a support specialist. I'll walk you through exactly how to start a chat inside your Keap app and share a few tips to make the conversation smooth and productive. First, log into your Keap app just as you normally would. Use the same method you rely on every day, whether that's through your usual browser or the desktop app. Once you're in, take a moment to land on any main screen, like your dashboard or contacts. This ensures all the necessary menus are visible. Next, look for the question mark icon, often labeled Help. You'll typically find this in the upper corner of the interface or near the edge of the screen, depending on your layout or window size. Click to open the Help panel. This panel is designed to route you quickly to answers, and one of the options there is live chat with Keap support. Now start the chat. When the chat window opens, you may be greeted by an automated assistant that helps gather the basics before connecting you with a human agent. Type a clear, short summary of your issue to get matched to the right person faster. A good structure is what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened, including any specific error messages. If a recent change triggered the problem, mention that too. Keep your message precise and professional, and avoid sharing sensitive personal data. While you wait, don't close the app or the browser tab. If you navigate away or your session times out, you could lose the chat. Keep an eye on the chat window for follow-up questions and answer them as directly as possible. If you're asked for context, like a campaign name or a recent update you made, provide just enough detail to help them reproduce the issue. Response times can vary based on volume and your time zone. If the queue is busy, you might see an estimated wait time. Stay patient and keep the window open. If chat appears unavailable, it's often because support hours have ended. Simply return during business hours when the option reappears. That's it. Log into your Keap app, click the help icon, and start chat. Keep your description clear, stay in the window, and you'll be on your way to a fast, effective resolution.